Hi guys, in this video I am going to show some of the most useful features in Sony handycam like 20x optical zoom, 990x digital zoom, night shot plus and more. Please watch till the end. I will show the title for the next video. The next video will be useful and interesting. Also please tell your feedback about the video so that I can improve. If you feel that this video is good, please like the video, subscribe to the channel because I will upload some useful and interesting videos which can help you. I will also update about my next video. Press the bell icon so that you will get notifications for the next video. I have issues while connecting the camcorder to the computer, so I used a smartphone to record the LCD display of the camcorder to show the zoom and used a television to show night shot plus. This is the area where I am going to show the zoom. First I will show the 20x optical zoom. Here is 990x digital zoom. I'm able to zoom even beyond that building. Now, let's see the night shot plus feature. This is a video which is taken with light. This is a video which is taken without light. This is a video which is taken with the built-in light. This is a video which is taken with the night shot plus. This camera also has manual focus. This camera also has some cool features like mosaic fader, stripe fader, monochrome fader. Which one do you like, 990x digital zoom or night shot plus? Comment below. So the video is over. This video is simple and short because of the issue. Thank you guys for watching my video.